Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create this beautiful scallop floral seamless pattern in Procreate. We'll start by creating a scallop template, a simple floral motif, and then turn it into a perfect seamless repeating pattern using easy beginner friendly techniques. I'll also share some useful Procreate tips along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Now let's get started. First, let's create our canvas. Tap the plus icon and tap the plus icon again on the top right corner to create a new canvas. You can use any unit you prefer, but I'll use pixel. Set the canvas size to 3000 by 3000 pixel, then tap create. So now our canvas is ready, so we can start creating our beautiful seamless floral pattern. So before drawing the flower, let's create a simple scallop template. On the first layer, we draw a circle. So hold your pencil on the screen, then tap with one finger to make it a perfect circle. Also, you can resize the circle and move it wherever you want, like this. Next, tap on transform tool and select fit to canvas. So this helps position the shape perfectly inside the canvas. Now let's turn on drawing guide. So go to action, select canvas, turn on drawing guide, and then tap edit drawing guide. Then select the symmetry from the bottom section and then choose quadrants in the option. So now you can clearly see the 4 sections of the canvas like this. Now tap on the selection tool and zoom out the canvas a little bit to see the circle perfectly. At the bottom you will see different section options. So if you choose freehand, you can select any shape you like. For this tutorial I'll choose rectangle so I can easily select this section of the circle. Now select the area at the bottom right section of the circle and swap down with 3 fingers and choose cut and paste. This is a shortcut and a beautiful Procreate tip and very easy to create a new layer like this. And look here, you can see that it creates a new layer in a different section, and then use the transform tool to flip and rotate the shape until it looks like this, so to create our scallop shape. So I'm gonna repeat the same step for the opposite side. I select the circle layer and select the bottom left section of the circle and swap down with 3 fingers and choose cut and paste. So it pasted on the new layer. Now use the transform tool to flip and rotate it until it matches the scallop shape. So now our scallop shape is done. So I'm going to draw the simple floral motif inside this shape. So let's merge the template layers together by pinching them into one layer and then reduce the opacity to about 15% so it's easier to draw over. Create a new layer below the template for the background and drag it down below the template layer. And then I'm going to choose a soft blue color for the background. So simply drag and drop into the canvas like this. And then create another new layer above the template for the floral drawing. So then I choose a dark blue color for the motifs. So before drawing, let's enable mirror drawing. So go to canvas and turn on drawing guide, then select edit drawing guide, and you can choose symmetry from the bottom layer, and then go to option and select vertical instead of quadrant. So also make sure to turn on the assistant drawing, then save it. Now whatever we draw on one side, it will automatically appear on other side like this. It makes the process much faster. So let's start to draw the flower element. So I use the JG brush from basic brush library. So let's draw the stem and the flower base first. We'll draw the outline first and then fill the shape with the color. So then we can clean up the edges by zooming out and zooming in the canvas like this. So now our flower base is done. Let's create a new layer for the petals. So make sure the drawing assistant is on, so it helps to stay both sides perfectly symmetrical. I choose white color for the petals. Let's draw the middle petal and then the second one. So you can see when I draw on one side, it automatically appear on other side as well. So this is actually a crucial tip to save our time. And draw the last petal like this, and then simply drag and drop the color into the space, and using the color drop we can fill other petals as well easily. It's another useful tip. So now I'm gonna create another layer for leaves. So and then I choose a green color for the leaves, and then make sure the drawing assist is on to stay the both sides symmetrical. So I draw my leaves like this. First draw the outline, and then we can drop the color into the space to fill the leaves. So now I want to draw a center vein in the leaves, so make sure it's in the same layer and choose a dark blue color, the one we used for the stem and everything. And then I'm going to choose another pencil. So I'm going to choose Alpine brush from Pens Library to give the shaded line effect. So we'll increase the brush size and then draw the vein like this. So let's go back to the petal layer to draw the dotted pattern. So I'm going to choose the same blue color for the dots as well. So let's select another brush type. So I'm going to choose a different brush from a comics library. So let's draw dots like this. So let's increase the size of the brush and then draw the dots across each petals. So spread them evenly for a nice decorative finish. So now our flower motif is complete. Then I'm gonna delete the template layer since we don't need it anymore, and we're gonna merge all flower layers into one. So let's turn our flower motif into a seamless repeat pattern. Now merge the flower motif layer and background layer together. So before I duplicate the flower motif for the middle, then duplicate this merged layer 3 more times. Then you will have 4 copies here to arrange the seamless pattern. So first let's turn on drawing guide. So go to action, canvas, turn on drawing guide, edit drawing guide, and go to symmetry option, select quadrant, and then save it. And also make sure the snapping and magnetics are on. So these tools help each tile snap perfectly into position, so make it much easier to create a seamless repeat. Then I'm gonna move each layer into the different corners. So first goes to the top left until the orange line appears, and the second goes to the top right until this orange line appears, and select the third one, and third goes to the bottom left, and the last one goes to the bottom right. So wait until you see the orange guideline before releasing each layers. And now our repeat tile is complete. You can repeat this tile as many times as you like to create a seamless pattern. So let's test the seamless repeat. Go to layer panel and merge all 5 layers together by pinching layers with 2 fingers, and then duplicate this finished tile 3 more times. Now you got 4 layers all together. Then zoom out the canvas like this to see the motif perfectly. Now resize and place each copy into 4 quadrants just like before. If everything is aligned correctly, you will see that all of the edges connect perfectly without any visible seams. That's how you know your seams pattern is working correctly. And that's our finished scallop floral seamless pattern. As you can see, the pattern repeats smoothly in every direction with all of the edges matching perfectly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. So if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.